Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at a privacy glass screen protector from G-Pel for your iPhone 10. So, start the video, let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a privacy protector tempered glass for your iPhone 10. It comes to us from G-Pel. Big shout out to G-Pel for actually sending this out to me. So if you guys have a lot of nosy friends or a bunch of nosy coworkers who's always looking at your phone, or if you're in a bus, the train, or whatever, and you just need people to stop being nosy, this is the tempered glass that you need. It comes to us from G-Pel. So let's just pop this baby out, see what it looks like. Alright, so we have the logo for G-Pel right here. Just pop this open. You don't need to be fancy with it. So here we do have some guides of how to do it in multiple languages, but I should be able to do it. I've been doing it for a while. So you have only one installed here, and it looks like it's one of those ones that have the borders, so hopefully this pans out well. And we have the installation kit, which is basically, it should be an alcohol prep pad and a wipe and a microfiber cleaning cloth. And we have your stickers to make sure that everything is clean. So always place this part in a safe and sterile environment because it does get dirty quickly. So if I was you guys, I would definitely turn your phone off.
My apologies.
Alright, so to turn your phone off, you gotta do that. Power off. Alright, so let's just pop off the old one. The older one I've had since day one, so it's about time that I take this off. So I'm going to take this off screen and I'll be right back. Alright, so we are back now. I just took off the old one. Now I am behind the camera, guys, so you got to give me a little bit of a break. I try to do all my installations in front of the camera so you guys can experience this one-on-one. Get back into focus. Alright, so we're going to use the alcohol prep pad, and I'll probably speed this up, but let's see if I could just do it quickly. Alright, so just got to clean up all the dirt on the side of the phone. Every time you put it in your pocket, every time you take it out, it's going to get some dirt on it. And if I was you, I would keep the phone off so it doesn't accidentally turn on. Alright, so we're just cleaning it off here. And it looks like I have a little bit. That's probably not going to come off with this, so I got to use the sticker. Alright, so I'm trying to give you guys like a wide angle view of everything. So, excuse the mess. So you gotta take your stickers. Focus on the stickers real quick. So this is the dust removal stickers. Now let's focus back into the product. So I just fold this back and just try to get each and every little crease here. Every nook and cranny. Now I am doing this on camera, so if I get a bulb, it's because I missed it because of the angle, but it looks pretty good so far. So I'm probably not gonna have to use this again, but it looks pretty nice, so I'm just leaving it like that. So here's the tempered glass slash privacy protector. So the things with these is that sometimes it blurs out a lot of colors and it makes it like a little bit more darker, but at the same time you're gonna get protection and privacy, so there's always an exchange, so it's not going to be super bright. Right, there you go. So let's see if my phone is still clean. Looks like there's a little thing there. No big deal. Alright, so let's just try to put this on from behind the camera. So let's try to match up the sensors, because the sensors are the most important part. So I would definitely try to match it up with the earpiece and then your cameras. And then let's see what happens. So I'm going to go back into frame here. Alright, so there you go. Falls flat. Okay, so you do have the solution on in the middle, and now what you're going to do is you're going to pump out those little bubbles. So let's see if I can get those bubbles on camera. Alright, so we're going to pump out the little bubbles, and they pumped out itself, so I didn't even have to do that. So let's just clean it up and start the phone up and see what it looks like. Alright, so power this baby on. So now you're gonna get privacy from the side. So exactly what just happened here. So here you see the Apple logo, and on the side you don't. Here you see the Apple logo, the other side you don't. Let's see, like the bottom coverage, you can see it just a bit. See on the opposite side. Okay, so let's see exactly what to do here. So if I'm here, see if you see it from the side. So like it's really dull out there, so you can't even see it no more. So I could definitely approve this case. I'm definitely impressed. So I am definitely impressed, guys. As you can tell, it's hiding your text from the bottom and the top. You don't really get it. Maybe a little bit from the top, but not so much from the bottom. So if anybody is beneath you, they could see it. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 10 and more tech to come. So to the next video, guys. Peace.